Welcome back, everybody, to Florida Man Adventures. If you remember last time, we installed this light, and today we're getting ready for a New Year's Eve party tonight, and I need to get some wood chopped up because we're going to be doing some oysters on that burn pile over there, and I got to get all this wood around here cut up, as well as some of this dried wood because it's been raining for a few days, and we're gonna need some dry wood to make a fire. So I got some wood to chop, and I got the trusty chainsaw down there to cut it with. So yeah, this is gonna be some wood cutting adventures. And then I've got to come through with the lawnmower, and well, I got to clear some paths so that we can walk. So I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking this time. I'm just going to be doing a lot of cutting, both of leaves and of wood. Here we go. Uh-oh.
You're making fire?
I'm making firewood. The grandkids have discovered me. Oops. I forgot about another project I have to take care of. I gotta fix their bicycles. I'll be right back. Oh, a little work. It's good for you. Oh, yeah. A little bit more to go. Gotta actually trim the fire pit. See if I can get a shot of that. Boop. Fire pit. There we go. That'll work. As long as my phone doesn't fall. Oh, the life of a tool owner. We slipped the chain. Time to go fix it.